This recently restored townhouse is situated in Colledimezzo, a little village overlooking Bomba Lake at 30 minutes drive from the Trabocchi Coast. The house stands on 2 floors and the main entrance is located on the first floor, where we find a fully furnished kitchen with a fireplace in perfect working condition, a ceramic sink and vaulted ceilings. On this floor, there is also a large living room with a balcony. The internal staircase takes us to the upper floor, where we can find a master bedroom with a balcony and lovely authentic cement tiles. On this floor, we can also find a full bathroom equipped with shower facilities, and a second double bedroom with a panoramic balcony and beautiful authentic vintage tiles. This room also enjoys a beautiful lake view. The property also avails of a roof terrace accessible from the last floor, where we find an attic room in perfect condition leading to the terrace. The terrace measures 15 square meters and enjoys a breathtaking view of Bomba Lake and the surrounding hills and mountains. Completes the property a cellar with vaulted ceiling and its own entrance that is also connected to the house by a wooden staircase. This townhouse with beautiful lake view has all utilities connected, the house is in perfect conditions and is ready to live in, and it's on the market for €55,000.